So it's not about trying to really get what the market will do next. You really just want the best deal ever for your trade, and really easy way to manage not only your risk, but also your bias. And also you will know from those levels, if they are placed correctly, what the market is probably going to do next. So for me, breaking this level here, according to this situation, I will remove the rest, but just going without, you know, the better, the easier will be like this. Okay, so here we made a lower high, lower low, and we are technically going up with the downtrend, with the uptrend. So this is the situation. The price reacted out of it, and if you see the price dumping to this level again, the safest way is to buy it. Why? Because if it breaks it, it will prove you wrong, you will lose some money, but then it will give you an information about the market, and you will have another support on the way, and you can start working your way through and switching your bias around. So that's why like those pullbacks, those retests are really nice opportunity most of the time, at least for a bounce. So if it came back and didn't want to follow through again, you could only make a scalp. But it is a it has proven that there is some kind of a price support here in the uptrend when the price is moving to the upside. So breaking it would make a lower high, meaning that the trend would start reversing, or at least retracing if we're looking on the macro. And you can have a better entry if you're still bullish. You can have an entry somewhere here in this region on the support, well, and the resistance, which was created by the price action since August 2013. But then if you take your trade somewhere here in this zone, or let's say here, and manage your risk, well, you can manage it something like this. And if the price goes against you, which in this case it did not, you had your entry. So if it goes against you, so we are making an alternative history, and the price goes up. Okay, give me go up. Okay, it goes up, and give me the pullback. So let's say this price goes down and starts trading below this level. So you have a confirmation you were wrong about your entry. It doesn't want to continue. It broke the structure, make a topping formation. It did make a lower low, and what you are willing, if you have a follow through here, so if you have a weekly close and a follow through, you can start trading it to the downside, to this support. And if this support breaks, then you have possible re-entry here. Or if it doesn't, if you don't have a re-entry here, you have to say to yourself, well, fuck it, I didn't have an entry, that's okay, I will have another one. Seems like a trend is really strong, and I will have another one, because always the trend will have pullbacks and you will have a late entry, and manageable one. So it's better than just to FOMO in here. It's just better to wait for the price action to break actually something, or to have some kind of a pullback and enter here. If not, you can try playing those. And also this proficiency and the horizontals will come from trading different markets and from trading them a little longer, because then you will see some kind of a patterns.